Guys, we're done here in Mantayupan Falls. So our next destination is we're going to Sea Turtle House in Moalboal. We will be spending our night there. See you there. You have to pay your entrance fee here.
I already paid earlier.
So you would